Hey, what's up guys? It's Dan. Welcome to part 3 of the retaining wall build. So in this part I'm going to be coating the boards with a polyurethane. Now I just decided to coat them, just keep their natural wood finish. What I'm going to be doing first is coating them in a gloss. Give them some layers of the gloss. Maybe 2-3 coats. I'll see how much I have. And then I kind of wanted to have a satin or a flat finish, so the last coat will be a satin coat, so that way it won't be shiny. So the way I'm gonna do this is I already have my rig set up. As you can see here, I'm using my sawhorses and 2x4s, which fit perfectly in these slots here. Then I'll just put the fence boards on top, however many will fit, so I can just spray them all at once. Be very efficient and keep the video short. So yeah, let's see how many boards I can fit on there. So this is 16 boards. Not bad. I'll be able to get a lot done. I have to leave the gaps in there because I needed to coat the sides as well. It's a quick drying polyurethane, so, and I got some sun on it. So yeah, I'll be spraying them like this, flipping them over, spraying the other side, and I'll see how much I have in terms of how many coats I can give them. So let's go get the spray stuff set up and start spraying. Okay, so here's my paint gun. Here's the coating I'm going to be using, water-based polyacrylic. I know I've been saying polyurethane. Whatever. Ultra fast drying, that's good. Easy water cleanup, that's good. Water-based. So yeah, I'll be seeing how many coats I can do, how many boards I can do. I have to do all of them anyway. Let's try not to spill too much. Kind of reminds me of creamy sake, but I'm not gonna drink that. I don't want to die. Right, so this is fill. Let's see how well it does. So that did work. I was able to get it to spray. So I got light mist on these boards. But the main issue is my compressor. It's so tiny. I go through the PSI too quickly. I do want to spray it though, but I might have to use a stronger compressor. But I'm gonna see what I can do with this one, and if I get impatient, which I might, high chance of it, then I'll switch to a stronger compressor. I don't have that compressor. I'll have to go get it, which will be the next day. So, but I'll try and trick you guys by wearing the same clothes, so it won't look like the next day. Well, unless I don't cut that part out. Okay, let's see how much I can do with this little baby thing. Look at that. It's so low already. And I was just doing one board. I mean, I can make passes, but then I'll just have to stand there until it charges back up. But this thing fills up so slow. So, looks like I'm gonna have to borrow the other compressor, which will be the next day, unfortunately. I was hoping to get some of these done. I was able to apply coating to 5 of the boards. These. You can see they have kind of a shimmer to them. So, let's turn this off so you can hear me. So yeah, I'll go ahead and borrow the other compressor and continue this tomorrow. There you go. So here's the other compressor. I've used this one to do bigger projects and I've had no issue with it. So this one should be up to the task. I literally just turned it on, it's already full. So let's get spraying again. So that actually worked really well. The compressor was up to the task. Well, I knew that from my experience with it in the past. They look really good. Although this coat is just misted on. Normally when I apply clear, like when I brush it on, I put a hell of a lot. But I'm not really looking for like a finish. Really, it's just to get them protected. Looking at this with multiple coats, they'll probably have a little bit of sheen. You can kind of see there the way the sun shines off it. Who knows, I might not need to do the satin coat, but I'll see. And plus it'll be an additional coat, so it'll add more protection to it. But yeah, the retaining wall will have this finish to it. Don't mind this because I'll be using the other sides, so you won't even see this. I have to coat both sides. For example, this side will be exposed to all the dirt and moisture, so it needs the protection. It needs protection from everything. So, did they make condoms for wood boards? It's pretty much what I'm doing. Protect your wood. So yeah, I'll let these set. They're bathing in the sun. Well, half of it's bathing in the sun, but still. It's about 90 or so degrees in this end of September. Why? So they should actually dry to the touch. I can actually add more if I want. So I'll just continue that, get one side coated pretty good, then I'll do the other sides, and then I'll move on to the rest of those boards over there and the other pieces of wood. So I'll go ahead and compile the time lapse of all of that garbage so you can see me move at warp speed and hopefully keep the video short. Well, under 20 minutes. to give you an idea of a before and after. Let's see here, what can I use? Maybe this. You can see the difference there. Pretty much the clear richens the tone. You can see it that well. This board is not coated. The one on the right is. You can see what it does. You can see that as well. Okay, so these boards, this is still the first batch, by the way. These have at most 3 coats on each side. So yeah, I think that's what I'll be doing, and I have enough. I still have some left over in my gun to coat the next boards. I'll have more than enough, which is good because I don't want to buy any more. So yeah, this is gonna be a lengthy process. So lucky for you, you don't have to experience it. I'll just edit the video to when I'm all done. that took a while. Here's all the boards, all the wood. Got all the 9 posts. The fence boards, they're stacked in 3 because of their condition. So I got A, B, and C stack. But yeah, they're all finally coated. That's just gonna be it for this part 3 actually, since it actually took long. So I'll see you guys in part 4.